Good heavens, my old gaming PC is so slow. Too bad I'm a helpless woman that doesn't understand gizmo gadget stuff.
Don't fear, the Ryan is here, and I have a big surprise for you.
Does this big surprise get mounted deep inside my system?
Why, yes it does. It's the MSI RTX 2070 Super Gaming X Trio. Now, take it off.
Okay.
I'm going in, baby.
That was the most exhilarating 5 seconds of my life, but it felt like an eternity.
Ah, so you did feel something. Well, it looks like your frame rate has increased significantly.
My hero, how many sandwiches do I owe you?
Keep the sandwich, miss. Just remember when you need a help to always call
Lyle. 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 I told you not to let on the couch. Get up.
Ah, okay. Jeez, calm down, woman. Jeez. Oh, that's a good GPU.
I know. That's why I bought it. Maybe you should follow suit, Maxwell.
Oh, can you make me a sandwich? Ah! Holy Dorito! Ryle just had the wildest dream. Everything happened just as it would in real life. Especially the power of the RTX 2070 Super make a good upgrade for an older generation PC. Most people who still have a GTX 900 series GPU will turn stiffer than China from China when they see what a 2070 Super can do for their system. Just to make sure your CPU can keep it up like a Ryle. If you need a GPU recommendation, click the link below to beef up your rig on the MSI website. It's a good guide if you have a Maxwell GPU. MSI also gives Ryle not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 RTX 2070 Super Gaming X Trio GPU to give away to you. So click the link below for a chance to win. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Sorry to staff at MSI for sponsoring this video. They probably all getting fired.